A quick question for you. What's the most time-consuming and frustrating part of being a sales manager? If you said calculating commissions, you are not alone. For years, commission management has been a tangled web of spreadsheets, manual calculations, and frustrated sales teams. But what if there was a better way? That's exactly what Salesforce saw when they decided to acquire Spiff. This wasn't just another tech acquisition, it was a strategic move to solve a major pain point in the sales process. Spiff isn't just a commission calculator, it's a platform that brings transparency and automation to incentive compensation management. For sales reps, Spiff provides real-time visibility into their earnings, so they know exactly how much commission they're making on every deal. This is a huge motivator. It eliminates the ambiguity and builds trust, allowing reps to focus on what they do best, selling. And for sales leaders, Spiff is a game changer. It allows them to easily design and manage complex commission plans, align sales behaviors with business goals, and gain a clear understanding of what's driving revenue. No more manual errors or endless spreadsheet reconciliation. The integration of Spiff into Salesforce's Sales Cloud is a perfect match. Salesforce has long been the leader in customer relationship management, but the process didn't end when the deal was closed. Now, with Spiff, it's a full-circle solution that rewards the people who close the deals. Over 70% of Spiff's customers were already using Sales Cloud, making the integration a natural and seamless fit. In the end, Salesforce acquired Spiff to strengthen its sales performance management solutions. They recognized that commission management wasn't just an accounting task, but a critical part of driving sales and motivating teams. By bringing Spiff's powerful, low-code platform into the Salesforce ecosystem, they're not just automating a process, they're empowering businesses to unlock growth and supercharge their sales teams.